welcome back to another video. Today we are playing this new game. I've only just downloaded it, I can't remember off the top of my head what it's called. But we are playing a car racing game today. So I think with it I might pick this Porsche. I don't even know if that's how you say it, but I am not bothered. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, that looks like a new car. Oh, that's very old by the looks of it. So obviously I've only just downloaded this game, like I've already said. So we are gonna just go straight through with this and see if we can get into a game. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Right. Looks pretty easy so far. So we are quite literally just watching my cars race. I don't know if we'll actually be able to play a game, but fingers crossed we might. So I know recent videos have been put up, obviously go check out some of my shorts. I will be putting my Discord in the description below, so go join my server. And obviously, if you want, at some point soon I'll be doing a Q&A, so if you can post any questions on there, I will answer them for you. I'm hoping this selection card is going to be quite decent. Oh no, by the looks of it, it's not. Bugger it. Oh, I think that might be the closest we'll actually have to it at the moment, so I don't actually know. I'm hoping this selection is going to be quite good. So far, we're really good. Oh, that's another round done. Ooh, I don't know if we're actually going to be able to. Ooh. There we go. So far there's what? 3 out of 4? I'm also hoping whatever energy drink is. Ideally, because mine's the I love the Monster Mango Loco ones. Let's have a look at the car collection. So I quite literally have a recording set up in the way of this. By the way, I am doing this on my phone, just mostly because I don't have my laptop ready and sorted to actually do a proper gaming video, so if you see any gaming videos or any videos at all, they're most likely done on my phone, so. Oh, I probably should have upgraded that. Oh, it's a draw. I'm hoping once we get through all this tutorial stuff, I might. By the way, guys, if you hear my TV going on in the background, just ignore it for now. Just kind of busy watching TV as well. Oh yeah, let's swap some of these out. I'll try that, see if it'll work any better. Oh, yes. Let's see what I might also play another games. There might be a couple of car racing games. And this. Probably complete these. And then go on to the next game. I might also bring out a few horror games as well soon, so, but like I said, it all depends on how well I can get my laptop sorted. That's good. Right, so I think that's it for the car games, and we'll go on to the next game. And I know, as I mentioned, we'll probably put in baby games, or horror games, but yeah, let's just play a bit of this. I have already started to play this game before, so yeah, just gonna quite literally, if I can get on here. Oh. I mean, I've heard quite good reviews about this game. It is really good. If you do have any other games you want me to play, please, like I said, go join my Discord and drop any games you want to play or want me to play. The amount of times I've actually accidentally picked up the cheese before on this. It's probably unbelievable. No, don't just pick up that cheese. Jesus. Oh. yeah, what I might do is play this game from the beginning in another video. So you'll probably end up seeing the same thing again. I mean, honestly, this is actually, the graphics in this is actually really good. Please stop dropping the bottle. What? I am confused on how they've got from the kitchen over here. I mean, on night 2, I quite literally had this nappy running away from me. It's unbelievable. This is really funny, guys. Oh. I swear, if at any point I have kids, I really hope they don't turn out like this. I still don't get why in this game it has an emergency pacifier for this, like, demon child. Oh, it's supposed to be moving. Pay attention though. What's the book? The sheep. So, I am assuming he wants this one. I think with this, it all depends on what book.
It was cold.
I'm not gonna lie.
Good night.
It's like the end of the night, or we keep going. Oh, and by the looks of it, let's see. Oh. It's the end of the game. So it quite literally means don't go upstairs. think. What else am I gonna say? Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I'm sure if I'm correct. I'm gonna have to come up like a piano. Yeah. There we go. Oh, hoping there's one more. Why didn't I look in the first place? Let's see if we can. Oh, it's not good. I think what I'll do for now is we'll do this in another video. I'll try and play it from the beginning, so we may end up redoing this again. But anyway, go like and subscribe, and go join my Discord server. Thank you, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.